What's the meaning of babysitting? Babysitting. Babysitting.
Babysitting. Babysitting. Babysitting generally refers to the act of taking care of a child or children while their parents or guardians are away. It often involves playing games, preparing meals, helping with homework, and ensuring the safety and well-being of the children. Babysitters may also be responsible for putting children to bed, reading them stories, and providing emotional support. The term can also be used metaphorically, such as when someone is excessively monitoring or overseeing a project or task. In these contexts, babysitting may have a negative connotation, implying that the person being watched is not trusted or capable of completing the task on their own.